Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today I'm going to make you a beautiful steak, egg, and cheese sandwich. And you know, we got to do it on some cast iron, so stay tuned. Okay, today we're going to do a steak, egg, and cheese. Not exactly going to be steak, okay? We got some beautiful short ribs from the folks over at Porter Road, all right? These guys sent us over some stuff to try. This is all grown and processed in America, and they ship it out online. I'm going to leave you a link right down in the description box below, and we'll try to throw in a link also in the first comment below. If you go out and check it out, you know, if you're watching this later time, we're filming this during the coronavirus pandemic, and as all y'all probably already know that are cooks like me, there was being a little bit shortage of beef especially, and what you can get is getting very expensive. So these guys have also experienced that, so their stocks are not what they were. But they sent me some great stuff, and today I'm got some short ribs, beautiful short ribs. So we're going to slice those down, and we're going to make this beautiful sandwich with it. We're going to do ours for as a breakfast version, but you could obviously leave the egg off of this, do it the same way, and you're going to have yourself a Philly cheesesteak. Yeah, so I kind of like overstoked that thing a little bit. You see, having a hard time getting it up at temperature, and then put a little too much stuff under there, and it kind of went crazy. So we're just caramelizing the peppers, onions, and those are looking pretty good. So I'm trying to move some of those pieces out from under there. Get them over to the sides so we don't get a grease fire going on here. Alright. Those are going to burn down the coals here pretty quick. Let's go ahead and get these off of there. We'll get ready for our meat. Alright, I buttered my roll there, hoagie roll. This is actually Cuban. And I went inside to get the eggs because it would be time to put those on right now. But I got a lot of company in the house, and apparently they decided to eat every egg I had. I don't have a single egg. And my chickens have stopped laying now, and we only got one out there, and she's about on her last leg. So got no fresh eggs. But anyway, so we're going to switch this up a little bit. It's going to be more like a Philly cheesesteak than a breakfast sandwich. The only difference was going to be it's going to have 2 fried eggs on it. So let's get this thing put together here. Alright, so I'm coming here behind the camera. I'm going to bring some of our peppers and onions back in there. We right down the middle. So like that. I got my bread toasting over here. Peppers and onions. Grab 2 nice pieces of cheese right there while it's on the griddle. Just gonna let that get melty, and we'll keep an eye on this bread. It's looking pretty good. Alright. We'll put this thing together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to assemble this. I want to try to break it in half. Use my big spatch there. Alright, I'm going to flip my... I know all the guys that probably have made Philly cheesesteak sandwiches all day are probably just like laughing at me right now. Like, you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so that's our bottom. I'm going to go ahead and try to get all of this up in one scoop right on top. Put it on there. Put our top on there. And that's going to be numero uno. Alright, and we'll take that off over to a plate while our second bun is getting toasted. Alright, I'm gonna go in here and try to get a bite of this. Look at that. You want a bite of that? I know you do. Let's go give it a shot. That's super awesome. Really nice and beefy. I didn't season that beef at all. Actually, we just left it just like it came from Porter Road. So if you want to go check that out, again, I'll leave that right down in the description box below. Make a purchase from them. They pay us a little commission, helps out the channel here. So everything I've had from them so far has been really, really awesome. So if you like what we're doing, please smash that like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right there. For another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right there. And for a whole playlist, cooking cast iron outdoors, it'll be right up there. We'll see you next time.